Yo, 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 what's goody, what's goody, what's goody?
It's good.
It's everything LI, you heard? We just at this car show, you know what I mean? Getting this content, they live, look at that. All right, without further ado, we're gonna walk around and get some more content for y'all. Peace.
I ain't gonna lie, that's
Beamers?
That's exactly what I be in.
Ah, damn.
I have my DJ set up there, we rock it out.
This one right here, right? It's a Beamer though too, man.
Oh shit, it is. I didn't realize it was beautiful.
That's the 8 series. Digital Cap is in the building today. Yes, sir. DJ Roos. It's your boy AJ to the BI. Oh, yo, this was at the one that I seen.
Oh, what?
Yeah, at the random car meet. Yeah, this is dope.
Yeah, I saw this one in the corner, but it's crazy.
What, this one here? The Maxima?
That Max?
That's a Maxima. That's just a newer version. Yeah. 250 right here. This is dope. Look at this. Slam to the floor. This is not supposed to be that way.
This is like the one I want, right there.
Yeah, but you see these lights? That's kind of what I want to do to my car. That's clean. Damn, look at this engine bay. Another Maxima. Look, babe, Nissan all day. You see that, right? Damn, that's clean. Yeah, right? Oh, look, a G35. It's nice too. What's that? Fast. Looks fast? Faster than mine. Oh, yeah. This is Subi gang. That's CI gang, for real, for real. Oh, the S2000. This is clean.
I just got this fucking hoses.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You need to install them then. What you doing?
I gotta get them. They gotta come here first.
The Q50 right there, that red joint. This shit is clean. Huh?
So scooter just
Yeah, right. Did you see the hood dump on that? That's dope.
Those are the Model T.
Another Q50. This is clean. See, this is what I want to do. Do you know how much this costs though?
Let's drop it.
Bread. No, well, the drop it and the carbon fiber. The carbon fiber is bread.
2 for 4.
Oh, the Nerds joint. That's what he said. Look at the Nerds joint.
See, this is all like
That's clean too. Shit. Oh, this is Lindenhurst Fire Department. That's why. Oh, it's got the 2J in here.
Oh shit, it's bad.
I seen this on YouTube.
See that?
Yeah, no, I seen this on YouTube. Yo, he spins. He got the whole light show on the bottom and he spins with this. I seen that on YouTube. Oh yeah, yeah.
But the whole thing was black.
Yeah.
Right? The whole hood?
Yep.
But he drilled it into the.
This is dope. The hood exhaust. You see how it has the hood exit like that guy in the complex?
Mm-hmm.
That's dope. There's another dope car too, the Lexus.
It's like a whole black top.
Yeah. Well, it's carbon fiber. It's lightweight. Oh, the Jenny coupe. That's like this new version what that guy had in the complex. Yeah. The what? The lights? Oh yeah. I see it. That's that retro fin. Drew saw this. Dirty Drew. He saw this purple car. He was like, "Yo, I saw the purple car. I know he was heading there."
Oh, look at that. I gotta see that.
It's a Lexus too.
In the back and shit.
Oh yeah, bro, you're missing the other part.
Yeah, you can look at that.
Yeah, the airless suspension.
Shit.
Golly,
That's nice.
that's nice. Look at the inside though. The inside is crazy, bro. It's got cup holders and that, like luxurious. This is nice.
Leave my garage.
Look at the rims too.
They go retrofit them.
Yeah. Oh, those are crisp. Oh, this is an act. This is the TLX. That's nice. So fresh. Oh, look, another one. Another Honda.
Yeah, that's what I like that too. That's what I want mine with.
Yeah, look, you see the fancy cup holders? That shit is
Same
dope.
crew.
Yeah, that's dope. That wifey getting you know, inspired. She's like, yo, this is dope.
The young girl at work likes the shit just like it's at a Lindenhurst.
Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a nice gen. This is
That's
clean.
gorgeous. The whole year.
Even the interior with the white in the interior.
That's worth every dime.
Yeah. Even the headlights are clean too. Yeah, the Benzo. Look at the Subi though.
That's mean as fuck.
Whee!
See that shit coming after you. You better. You better go to the left.
Yeah, just get out the way real quick. Get out the way. Look at the SRT. SRT4 Dodge Neo. This shit is quick too. Look, Subi chick.
Yeah, now that you're coming around, there's a lot more now. Now it's just
The Q gang. This is dope. Oh, look at this joint right here.
your fucking life.
Right? That purple joint?
Whole wrap, you know that.
Yeah, but that's nice. Yeah, the lights. This is nice though.
It's clean.
Look at the headlights too. The headlights is crazy. Oh yeah, the I8. You like what? Yeah. There's another Beamer too. The G80 joint. Yeah. The headlights are crazy too. Damn. Yeah. The headlights are crazy too. Damn, Beamer gang. See this? All right.
Was there here?
Yeah, that's the where you plug it up. Look, yo, they're gonna need you to fix their
I know,
crack.
so I was gonna say, I was trying to be nice about it. I would have canceled the whole
Damn.
trip. Like, no, we'll go to the next one.
Yeah, that's clean. Oh, look, another act. This is the truck. Oh yeah, the scrape. That's a whole car plate.
So you got this fucking roll cage.
Yeah. That's
Yeah, that's
nice.
what I want.
Oh, the roll cage
I want a
joint.
roll cage in my car. My car is highly unnecessary. I still want it.
That's nice. Oh yeah, yeah. Wow.
What?
The green roll cage in this,
Mm-hmm.
and then that one too.
Rings too. It looks good.
Yeah. Same sticker. Look.
Scrape gang.
Yeah, that's what it is. Scrape life. Scrape gang.
See, this is color I like.
It's 2-tone.
I like that.
Yeah. Oh, 3-tone. It's nice though, and it's slammed. RSX boys.
I hate this one.
Yeah. You think I should do that to my car?
No.
I wouldn't do it to my car.
Because it probably does a wing or whatever.
Oh yeah, the big wing in the back. This is clean too with the carbon fiber.
That's some dumb shit I do.
Yeah?
Really go and hit if it moves. Wouldn't they like hit your...
Oh, the Jag. Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, Beamer gang again. Damn. See them headlights?
Something, she went in the corner and the thing was like this.
You like this?
Yeah,
Alright.
on that, man.
Damn.
I think you need the seatbelts like going on.
Oh, yeah. The harness ones?
Nah, honestly, bro, I just need to catch it.
Yeah.
It's really when I'm
Damn.
for a minute, and if I tell
Yeah, that's dope. That's dope with the BBSs. That's dope. Oh,
Let you know exactly what all this is.
oh look, we got the Instagram joint too.
I ain't gonna lie. If I was gonna race, what I do, just let that.
Look with the rose on the floor too, perfectly placed. That's dope. I ain't gonna front. That's bro. That's what I would do. Oh, the Supra. Yeah, fast boys right here.
No room on the floor.
Yeah, that's back life, bro.
Yeah. The Marvel cut.
Oh,
The red hole too. That's it, man.
oh, that's clean.
Respect on that.
Oh,
I appreciate it. Listen, the compliments, that's all I need.
that is. With the subs too. What? Damn. Yeah. This is clean. Clean built, bro. Hell yeah.
Thank you. Check out the front.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at that.
Oh. Yeah.
You got the lit up license plate frame too. You making out? What is it? What does it say? What does the frame say?
Wicked STL. Gotta pay to play. Oh.
Gotta pay to play.
Sorry about your neck. That's hilarious. Yo, and he got the STI lit up too. This is clean.
I have to learn. Yeah. Let me tell you, man. You pay people for it.
Look at the turbo too.
That's why I like my car is super.
Say that.
See, for shit like this, I want
You know what he said?
Have you played with it or you
This car's super custom. No other car like this around.
look the motor right there?
Where?
Wait.
Oh yeah, yeah. Look at this.
That damn shit's shit.
Drift life.
Someone with that shit.
Nah, drift life. Man, that girl crazy. Oh, you mean business. The black bat means business. These are crazy too. The Mazda gang. Oh, and they rolling up heavy. Look at that. Heavy.
The show was supposed to be at an airport, right?
Uh-huh.
They canceled on the last second.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be over 400 cars, and now it's probably double.
Oh my God. Acura gang. Damn. Big boy tires. I mean business.
See what I tell you? What I tell you?
Yeah, but
Curtains.
you see the condition of your car. You trying to get it like this?
Listen, yeah.
You're gonna have to spend a lot of money, bro.
Then it's mine.
A lot of money with the curtains. This is crazy too. He mean business. He only got one seat. You see that, man? He only got one seat in his car.
Keep burning you.
Yeah, this is the RX seat.
Oh, there goes another one, man. Yeah, right there. Purple one.
Yeah, that's.
What is that windshield, man?
I know, right? So that happens when you speed in speed life. You know what I mean?
That bothers me after a while, though.
Where they cover one a year.
Something like that, I think. Look, like Skeeter did to the guy in the parking lot.
I said NGR. Oh, see, I want seats like that.
Look at the rims.
The roll cage.
Damn. CF Addict. That's dope. This is clean though. I ain't got front. That diffuse is crazy. Look at the Jetta. Huh. Yeah.
Just talking about that, what, like a couple months ago?
He wanted his. Y'all got the wrap. He did natural paint job like that. It's dope too. I ain't gonna front.
Just so authentic.
This is dope too. Oh, the LS swap.
Oh, this is cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Back and forth with it. I like them in other. It depends on.
There you go. There we go. That's fast boy life. Huh? Not gas, it's that. And that's the. Oh yeah, that rolled up to him. Woo. Talk about to the floor. Fast boy life.
No, you got the hands crawling right on it. It's right there.
Yeah, it's right on the floor.
Right on the floor.
Right on the floor. Fast boy life though. This is clean. Is yours?
No.
Oh. This is clean. C35 gang. See, no, I gotta go back now.
5.5.
No, you know why? It recorded it in slow-mo. So the camera looks like it's going mad fast and it's just in slow-mo.
I thought you did a picture of it.
That's dope with the screen and everything. Deep dish rims. Oh yeah.
I want this. I just want the door.
Fast boy shit right here.
Should have popped the trunk, show the engine.
I know, right? Damn. Fast boy life though, right here. This is clean though, I ain't gonna front. Look, there's the car Phil wants.
Ain't it?
There it is, right here.
That's what I thought.
This is the Scion. They put the Scion on it. This is the BRZ. This is the year Jenny I wanted to get. Not the other one is an older one of this one. It just don't say Toyota 86 on it.
Yeah, 2022.
Look at the color in the camera as opposed to the color in the actual car. It's like two different colors. That's crazy. Stance boy. This is nice too.
I'm not a fan of the tail lights, but it's still nice.
Not a fan of the taillights. Taillights is crisp. All right, with the quad. Look at this one. Look at where the exhaust is on this one. This is nice too. Crisp. Yeah, that's what I want to do. Another RX-7.
Look at the back of that too.
That's nice.
The back seal.
Yeah, no, I can see the airlift. This is clean though. Oh, the Beamer gang.
Oh, there goes. That's my one right there, right? Yep.
What the?
22.
No, but this is a BRZ though. That's not a FRS. It's a BRZ and the windshield tinted.
One of those three I'm buying. Believe me when I say that.
This is the Subi gang right here. Look. The vet. My brother's car. Look. The Teggies. Those are nice. Those are actually really clean. Oh, the real R. Ooh. That's nice.
See, I love these type of cars. This is the old school. I love this.
With the wing too. Yeah, my brother got one in yellow. Type R.
The body was good, dude.
Another type R. Smell that? By the way out. Oh, the GSR. Look at this gray. That's the gray I was telling you about. Nice. Wow. The attention to detail. You see that red too? It's like that on the back too. This is nice. He said Hector's not running with any engines. Oh. Man. Oh, I'm like going like this, getting the fender. This is nice. This got the roll cage in it too. Yeah. Oh, is it MR2? What's that? Oh my goodness. With the yellow and black symbol. This is clean. Sheesh. This is nice.
I like the colors.
Right?
Look, you see the eyes, look. That's nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Look at this S2000 right here though. Slam. Nah, it's not gonna leave it, right? Oh, fast boy right here though with the turbo. I'm surprised we ain't see that kid from our complex in here. Yeah, because he got one of these. I know, right? Andrew just got here, so. Yeah. Dirty Drew in the building. The cars. Look, another one.
Those are the two colors that I like. Yellow and purple cars. Those look nice.
Honda gang for real, bro. Look, even back there. We see you chilling back there, Hondas. Oh my God, another Beamer. Yeah. Oh, the honeycomb joints.
Yeah.
Yo, look who it is. Look who it is. It's Dirty Drew.
What's up, man? Good, how are you?
What's goody, what's goody, what's goody?
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's the best car here, honestly.
What, that? The Sub? Yeah. Subi gang for real. Nice. Super gang. That's 2000.
What was it? See, look.
What's up?
See, that's the one I'm talking about. Those are the lights.
When you ain't got a hood prop, but you make it work.
Those are the lights I like.
No hood prop, but you make it work. Arizona life. Yeah, you see the BBSs on there? Which is nice. Speed gravity. Look at the blue in the camera though.
Yeah, it's not as like.
Nah. This?
I got to put my shit in there, man.
Huh?
I got my message going. I didn't put it in. I got to put this shit in there.
Work, man. The Jaggy.
That's dope. That'll be a selfie.
Can't see, but it's right hand drive. This is dope. I like the color too.
Oh, shit. This shit was not open before.
No, it was not.
100% RDX.
Let me check it.
It's RDX. I know.
This one I need.
And
That's me.
I wish it wasn't butchered like that.
yeah, right.
And look, man, they got mom.
Bass boy life right there, though. I know y'all hear that. You got the big boy tires on there too. Ah, damn. Yeah. That Mustang's crazy. Damn.
Shit's so nice.
Yo, look at the I-8. Golly, I didn't even peep some of these. Oh, wait, look at that. That's life right there.
See? Eddie.
Damn. Bumper coming off. That's when you want to get low.
Wait a minute. Damn.
You want to get low. That's what happens. Look.
Damn.
Low life projects, you heard? Look at that dude. Check him out. This car is clean.
No turns for him.
No turn. Look. Definitely no turn, bro.
No turns for him.
It's when low is life. Low is life, bro.
Yeah, see, this works on
Look, low is life, bro. Look at that shit. Low is life. You see it?
Smile, Mike.
Low is life. Yeah. Girl chick, yep.
Yeah, but I.
Oh, that's the one we saw before. Oh, my bad. This is dope. This is the same one before. I like these lights though.
Those ones really make the car on there, man.
Yeah, even they did the fog lights too.
I know, that's like so nice.
Was that the ILX?
No, it's a TLX.
It is, right?
I thought it was an ILX. A little bit different.
That's clean. What's that? I looked at it briefly, but I didn't really see it.
That's
See it.
just nice, bro.
Oh damn! Damn, it's raining for the rest of the day. All right. Yeah, that's what I said. We about to be out soon.
Yeah, I'm about to be on too anyway. I gotta watch this football game.
Oh, you want that?
You wanna watch? You wanna do the whole thing? We gonna say the whole thing.
Yeah, this the one on the random car meet joint. Illegalish. I was just playing this. This is the car that we saw at the random car meet, y'all. If y'all pay attention, this is the random car that we saw. It's right hand drive, bro.
Yeah, it's a Jap car.
The Skyline that we saw at the random car meet on 63. Clean,
Oh,
fresh.
Skyline.
Fresh. Yeah, fresh.
Yep. It's the only way you get it. Take it apart, ship it out, bring it in.
Nah, I probably got it in like this.
Huh?
Probably got it in like that.
yeah.
I didn't know that. That's dope. The fragment girl side. Then you come to the fragment boy side.
All the way there.
This is clean.
Good job, for sure.
I don't know, but that's like, oh, that Jenny.
Sonic.
Get out of here.
Yo, look at the tag. Dad did it. Yo, this is straight, man. This is straight.
Yeah.
That's the Sonic shit. What? I like that.
That's dope.
I got the tail lights lit on. Not the good way.
Not the good way though.
Nah, because normally I have them fucking running patterns and shit.
Oh, okay.
This is
Which one? That's the XK Glow?
yeah.
Yeah, see? Told you. That's that shit.
Well, y'all don't know. This is the R spec, y'all.
Yes, sir.
Oh, there you go.
Lights I like to sit on. You feel me? Yes, sir.
Yo, this is clean.
Yeah, I got the XK Glows. I love how they do that shit, man. It's fucking cool. I won't get anything else. Flat out. Like there's somebody else, I won't do it.
Yeah.
Because once you get all the lights, you fuck them all up. And so, you know how it is.
Yeah. Like I said, I shine bright when it's dark.
Yeah.
I shine bright.
There it is.
You got the underglow on it or
I
not?
got the underglow. I got the brake stars with my Sonic logo in my fucking
Oh, in the
helmet.
car?
Get out of here.
Doors open.
What?
Ah,
Yeah. Say no more. Say no more. Check them out. Definitely check them out.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, that's lit. Oh, that's lit. That's lit. Check him out for
See,
sure.
that's the shit I was talking about. That's creativity like a motherfucker.
That's nice.
That's having a conversation and help that
This is nice too.
whole ass conversation.
I like the tag on this.
You see that, babe?
When you talk about the type of cars that I like, something like this.
So why don't you get one?
One step at a time, sir. One step at a time.
Nah, don't get that other one. Just get this. Trust me, you'll thank me later.
Oh, we did come by this.
Yeah, I want to do this to mine. That shit is dope. You peep this joint? That's dope. I'm not gonna lie. Team exit.
Yeah, look at the lip. You know who be working.
Well, you know he be yeah. Fast boy stuff. Fast boy stuff. Man. I don't know why this looks so high though. He not stance at all. I like them headlights. You see these headlights though? Attention to detail, everything matches.
Remember I was telling you when we first started?
Oh, they even got the bikes. Maxima gang though. Who would have thought? Well, Maxima's pulled up. This is clean though. It's nice, right? The Mazda 3.
Yo, look at the front seat. front seat. Yeah, come this way. You have to be a seat. Look at the front seat.
Ah.
I like that.
Boricua.
Corazón de seda, que no lo tiene cualquiera. Yo te quiero aquí conmigo, la espera me desespera. Mi corazón de que no lo tiene cualquiera. Yo te quiero aquí conmigo, la espera me desespera. Y de mal querer besarte cada mañana, despertar contigo. Que de malo el poder tenerte. No quiero ser solo tu amigo, corazón de seda, que no lo tiene cualquiera. Yo te quiero aquí conmigo, la espera me desespera. Corazón de seda, que no lo tiene cualquiera. Yo te quiero aquí conmigo, la espera me desespera. Corazón de seda, muchas cosas quiero hacerte. Deseo contigo de encontrarme. Llego al París con la botella, la que tú querías, no sé qué desea. Y te olvidé porque lo dejaste huella. Ya no miro más atrás, no quiero fallarme. Tengo uno que está listo para llevarme. El segundo está esperando en el hotel. Y el tercero lo conozco esta noche. No me llames, que mi número cambié.
What's that?
That whole grill lights up.
Yeah. Type S. Yeah, I didn't even know there was people in the car, and I'm like going mad close to their mirror. Fitment, guys, fitment. Oh. One bad TLX is right. Wow. Wow. That's one bad TLX. I know. Yo, this was at the spot though that I was at. This is still clean. I say it to this day. This is still clean.
That's flat out, no fucks given. That's that.
Nah, he putting in work. Look, he
Oh, I know
putting
he
in
is.
work. It's not as clean as I thought, but I don't think this is the same one. Caps, everybody. This is nice. Clean kosher. That's the sticker that kid has. Envy us. The truck. Is this the truck? It's for sale, bro. That's nice too. Not as nice as this. This is even better. This is nice. The M4. Not. Oh my God. The color is nice, but the M4 is dope. Oh my God. The color is gorgeous on this. Feels like Death Row. Oh, nice. This is nice. Yeah, that's what I got. It felt like Death Row. That's just dope. Look at this one. Ooh, the wrapped headlights. Oh, man. Oh, wee. This is another M4? Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Huh? No, that's why they said leave some space. Beam Alive. That's clean. Yeah, they different.
Hey, you can. What if they won?
The whole gang though, that's dope.